Hello, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh, and you won't see me in this video, but I've had some problems lately. One of them is I did something horrible on the right shoulder. I don't know if I injured the shoulder or the rotator cuff or the muscle, but I can't lift my right arm over a certain point, and I tore the rotator cuff years ago, and it had healed. Well, I was lifting laundry to try to move some laundry in the car, and did something horrible on my shoulder, and it's been killing me in about 2 weeks. But one of the other problems I have is I can't see, as you know, out of one eye. And, well, there are things in the icebox that I cannot see, and I've been emptying milk bottles that are very, very dead. But this is the worst. And it doesn't even look like milk anymore. This is from July 6th, and I'm going to pour it down the drain, but I'm even afraid to open it. But it was way buried in the back, and I didn't drink it, and I forgot about it. I can't even get the damn thing open. Hold on, I can't do it with one hand. Let's put this down. Oh, my God. So, if you've ever wondered what really old milk tastes like, let's see. Or not tastes like, I'm not about to drink this. Looks like, sorry. August, September, October. This is 3 months old. Here we go. Coming out in big clumps of dead milk. And it's really gross. And I don't even really come out of a bottle. So, yeah. So that's what happens when milk goes bad, when you can't see it in the bottom of the icebox. I'll rinse these out and run hot water down the sink. Oh. But I look back there and I said, what the hell is back there? And this is the last milk bottle. And there one's from September I threw out. This one is July. But I couldn't see it. I got water bottles in there. So, it's two. Another reason why I need a housekeeper again. Oh my God. Particularly with my arm. I can't lift it straight out and point at it anymore. Or straight up. And I've really done something good. Something with hot water. I've got cold water going in there. Maybe I should have poured this down the toilet, I don't know. Alright, that's that. That's done. Afraid to look. There we go. Wash my hair later. Definitely be rewashing these dishes like 3 times. Ew. So this is what really dead milk looks like. Oh my God. Running hot water down the drain. I guess I should put some Dawn down there too. That might be greasy. Oh God. Well, I'm going to pay more attention what's in the icebox from now on. That's for sure. Of course, part of the thing is that for the last 2 months I'm busy with all the camping stuff. when neglecting my own duties, including cleaning as much as I can. My shoulder is killing me. When I lie down, it hurts really, really bad. That's what happens to milk when it dies. This is George Senda, the real, original, authentic, oh my God, official, the guy from Pittsburgh. Oh, good Lord, and still some of that plain wash it up. All right. Have a great night. Hope I haven't grossed you out too much. Have a good morning. Stay wet, warm, dry, or cool as the case may be, and stay safe. And check your ice box out when you get a chance. Bye-bye for now. My hands are wet. I turn this off.